Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Léry is a small and charming municipality in Quebec, located about 40 kilometers southwest of Montreal. Nestled along the picturesque St. Lawrence River, Léry is known for its natural beauty and proximity to both rural and urban landscapes. Léry has a rich past that dates back to the early 19th century. The town was first settled by French colonists and developed as an agricultural community, benefiting from its fertile soil and strategic location along the river. Over the years, it became a hub for farming, with several generations of local families contributing to its growth. One of the most notable features of Léry is its beautiful heritage homes, many of which date back to the 1800s. These well-preserved buildings offer a glimpse into the town's past and reflect the architectural styles of various periods. Some homes have been lovingly restored, with intricate woodwork and steeply pitched roofs, adding to the town's charming atmosphere. Léry is also home to a few significant landmarks, including the Old Léry Church, which is a testament to the town's long-standing Christian heritage. The church, along with other historical buildings like the Léry Manor, tells the story of the community's development and its connection to both local and broader Quebec history. The town's setting by the St. Lawrence River offers a serene environment, ideal for outdoor activities like hiking, boating, and birdwatching. Whether you're visiting for its history, scenic views, or simply to experience the tranquility of rural Quebec, Léry is a place where the past and present beautifully coexist.
Thanks for watching!